Hello, today Cook with Appu is going to show you a very new recipe, that is eggplant fry. For that we need is eggplant, bacon. Then the spices I have taken is 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 to 2 inches of turmeric. I like it bit spicy, that's why I have taken sabji masala also a bit. Then is I have taken lime juice little, then salt also we need for this, and oil. These five things will do, that is spices, lemon juice, salt and eggplant and oil. We'll first marinate the eggplant, that is we'll put the salt, the spices and the lime juice and marinate well and keep it aside. I'll show you after marinating it. As you can see, the spices and the lime juice and the salt, I have marinated it well. Now I'll keep it aside. Till that time I'll heat the oil in the pan. Then when the oil will be heated, we'll just put some oil to just fry it. Our oil is getting heated up. Till that time I'll just like to tell you something about this bacon masala. It is made just within 3 to 4 minutes, just like we make our pakoras. We can have this with chapatis, rice, with anything it will go. You should check out my other recipes also, and please share this recipe because brinjal, nobody likes that brinjal or the eggplant. So this will be a very good dish that everyone would love it, and it is made in very low oil. Usually in baigan bharta and all we use lot of oil. That's why I thought of taking a making a new recipe. I was trying it out, so I thought to share with you. And the lime juice is the main factor to bring that taste that is needed. If you like low spiciness, then you can avoid the masalas like 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon. You can just put for taste. That's all. After the oil heats up, we'll put this into that. As you can see, I've put in the oil. We'll flip it occasionally, and when it's soft, we'll take it out. I have flipped it. You can see one side has cooked well. We'll keep it, and you can see the sides of the, I'll zoom in and show you the sides of the brinjal or the eggplant. The color is changing, that means it's cooking good. You can see the color, it's light purple, so it's cooking. So let it cook like that only. After that I'll just take out and serve and show you. To know whether it is cooked or not, we'll check it with the fork. See, it's soft enough, it's going in. The same thing I'll show you in the uncooked one. See, it's not going, it's hard. So this shows that it's ready, but I want it to get some color. See, it needs some more time. So for almost 1 minute more I'll keep and take it out and serve and show you. I've already taken out the first strip, which was the leftover brinjal I have put for frying. If you cut the pieces slim or thin, you will get it fried very fast. You can see this I made, it's ready in just half a minute. That's why I told this dish is a very new dish which you can make in just 3 to 4 minutes. And if you like the recipe, please like and comment and share. And one more thing, this recipe goes with everything. You should try it. Who don't like brinjal will also like it because it's made in a very different style, not like in a curry or sabji manner. Just as a fry, you can have it with anything. I'm just trying to serve it and show it. As you can see, our baigan fry, masala baigan is ready. I told you this is the trip which I had used more oil. So oil is there, but see in this trip I used less oil just to put in the pan. So you can also try in less oil. So this is a very nice option for the eggplants. This is the eggplant fry. Please try it. Cook with Appu. Please like and subscribe my channel and share this video. Who don't like eggplant, they should try this, and it's a must. Please try it and share it and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting, keep loving by just subscribing and liking my channel. For my latest videos, press the bell icon. Thank you.